What's up YouTube, words and things here, and back with another mechanical pencil review. This is the Kokuyo coloree. It's a 0.7 pencil. So for the looks, you get it's a budget one, and I got it for I think a bit more than $1. It's a Japanese brand made in Japan. This is some schematic words. So first I'll go with the feel. It's quite heavier than the Kurutoga, the Stedler, but yeah, it's quite heavy. It's a 0.7, as you can see, Kokuyo 0.7. So first feature I like is the eraser. The eraser, you get a lot. It's a turning eraser. You get a big eraser. You can see it's big, and you get an hexagonal. I think. So hexagonal eraser, which gives fine erasing. It has a pocket safe thing, nice grip, nice rubber grip. Pocket clip is also good. So let's try some getting out some lid and getting it down a little. Yes, it's I think, yeah, that's the spelling of Kokuyo. It's 0.7. Coloree. So you can see the lead works very fine. I'm applying a lot of pressure and it's not breaking. You get so nice grip. The grip is quite good. If you hold it at the bottom or at the upward, it broke. So a large amount of pressure, bro, it breaks it. It's good quality. So another thing that's notable down here, if I open the lid clutch, and if you look closely, this is a brass clutch. I'll put it back, and yeah, I think it can focus right now. So wow, it's not focusing at it. This is a brass clutch. You can see that. Kurutoga, which is costlier than it. Even the Stedler, which is costlier than it, has plastic clutch. But this is the only pencil. Oh, this is also very good quality, you can see. But you have the brass clutch, nice brass clutch. So definitely this one will last you a bit longer than anything other does. Definitely it will last you a bit longer. This is nice. This is a nice quality pad. And Kokuyo coloree. Well, focusing power, lost the focusing power. So 0.7, it's quite good. Scribbling, drawing. So overall, it's quite good quality. It's not like the Stedler one, because the Stedler one is $2.50, but it's just shit. It is cheap. It looks cheap. It feels cheap. So but the coloree, Kokuyo coloree, has a nice all over rubber grip. Some nice tip going on down here. Nice logo. It has a place for a keychain. Why in the hell you add a keychain with a pencil? But yeah, it's a nice option to get, and it's the first thing I'll say. A large eraser, good quality, good lead holding, brass clutch. So that's quite good for a pencil this much price, $1.50, and from Japan. So it's quite good for a pencil from Japan. It's a coloree. Une ande coloree. I definitely spelled it wrong, but I don't speak Japanese. But yep. So it's transparent green color. It comes in pink, violet, red. those shades, but yeah, it's good. Feel is good, grip is good, not the best grip, but it's good. So yeah, I will mention it to buy. Nothing much to show because it has nothing much any functionality, so that's it. So yeah, I would say it's a must buy because brass clutches last a long time, and they are not waste. So I'll tell to buy, definitely buy. I will give it for the style and feel. I will get good. For the quality, I'll get good or awesome. Might this might go. For the feel, I really feel style, and what I give, it's okay, but it's good. Good overall. Good overall EXP experience. So yeah, I said it's a definite buy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So over and out, words and thanks.